Cassie!
What is wrong with her?
I don't know.
We're heading down the Boynton Canyon trail, making our way to Slingshot Canyon, canyoneering route. We already saw 2 snakes in the parking lot, so we're feeling like this is gonna be a lucky day.
When you say 2 snakes, people are gonna really think you saw 2 snakes.
No.
2 snakes. And then
You're right,
like,
you're right.
We're lucky.
We saw 2 snakes. The guy, the legend, the man, the myth. Oh no! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! No!
That's not his full name.
Guys.
What were the 2 snakes doing, Stacy?
Things. They were doing things. April was just in a commercial for a famous car brand. I won't name it here.
Lincoln Navigator.
She looked really, really good. They asked her what style she is, and she was like,
Floppy hat and hiking clothes.
they're like, yeah, that's not gonna do for the commercial.
I got the pants at Goodwill. Yo. See, this is how I roll.
Yeah, so not fancy at all. I don't know why they chose her for the commercial. We're at the giant juniper tree. You know what that means, right? Time to turn and go toward the subway cave with all the other tourists.
Here we go.
We're getting close to the subway cave. We can hear all the tourists up ahead. There's a lot. Yep, lots of people over at the subway. We're going this way. Apparently we took a wrong turn. It was Kristen's fault, right, Kristen?
Right, Kristen, admit it.
Right?
I said I didn't want to lead.
Uh,
I was very clear on that.
She did. She made it clear.
Get over here. What are you doing? This is where Heather first met 2 snakes.
Oh, it was. I was sitting in there, looking out,
What's his name,
and the
Heather?
bushes, these bushes started shaking. I was like, holy crap. I was like in fear. I couldn't even say anything. And out pops this old man. And when I say old man, it was like he was almost ready to die. And weirdly, we met him in the parking lot just now.
We're going this way, guys.
Come on, guys,
Go.
we're going this way.
Come on.
Come on, guys. Come on, head on this way.
So the worst part of this approach is this next section where we have to go up there. I hate this part.
It's good.
Is that dumb?
It's good.
No,
That one
it's
was
dumb. Was that dumb?
That was dumb.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Oh no, my foot's stuck. Okay. All right.
Okay, was that dumb, Kristen?
That was real dumb.
Okay. the drop-in point for Slingshot. I saw Christy go down this. It looked real fun, so I bet you'll love it too. Okay, get excited. Get excited. No, be careful, I mean. Be careful! Oh my gosh. How do you do it?
You want to know my way or? My way's faster though, FYI.
I like not having broken bones, okay? What is this Josh's statement?
I am gonna be the most perfect belayer. I do not. I had to look in the sun, and so I'm just keeping the sun out of my eyes so I could see. Because we gotta live, you know. We gotta live to do it another day.
Why is there always some kind of emergency?
What do I need to do to make this look epic?
Hey, it's a 40-foot rappel, so it's kind of hard. Hey, be careful.
Yeah, we don't want to clean up your body.
Picture.
Got it. Yeah, we don't want to have to deal with your mess.
No, you're gonna like slam your butt.
Mwah!
Kamikaze!
What is wrong with her?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out. This way could be a down, but I think the down is right there.
She's got. She has ants in her pants.
She's got ants in her pants.
Do the boogie dance. Well, better come down fast then. Just bite it back.
Get it out! It's like in my. Right here.
Is that how you get ants?
This is how we do the boogie dance.
Okay, so don't sit up there with the ants.
Got that, people?
Not recommended. Stacey's got the bag.
We're real good at this. We're
good.
professional.
How many people does it take to pull a rope
None.
on a 40-foot rappel?
I was just.
Rope!
What? Hey, who's not doing their job?
Okay, I stopped because I was like, I don't think I'm helping, but I was actually. Oh,
You were.
What?
You have an ant on you?
God, I had a
Hold
mic.
on.
You guys are scaring me.
I had an ant.
Godspeed.
Oh, it's on the rock.
Oh, I told you not to rappel below the end of your rope, didn't I? Oh gosh. This seems, no. Oh my gosh, pull it first. See if it will pull loose. There you go.
Woo!
Oh my gosh.
first time.
Rappel 5. Kristen's leading for her first time. She's not shaking.
You got this.
She's not shaking at all.
No, good job. You're doing awesome.
Breathing.
Breathing.
There you go. See? Yeah.
Yeah. She does trapeze and stuff.
That is true.
She's a little bit crazy. No fear.
Yeah, I think you missed the fear.
You have no amygdala.
I did leave some.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
All that effort for the perfect selfie. What is that?
No, for my glasses are all messed up.
Oh my
Dang
gosh.
it. That's what AI's for. They'll fix it.
They're still jacked up. Oh my gosh. I hope Kristen survives
And I'm
this.
supposed to not be nervous about her coming off anything. Yeah.
Oh.
Stacy's favorite answer to that is 2 more miles. Doesn't even matter if it's 10 more miles. Do you think she's motivating us or something by saying 2 more miles? Wow. Can we get through any hike without tripping?
Barefoot April needs a ride.
We need a fireman carrier.
Come on, give her a ride.
Oh my gosh.
That worked great. Wait, you're really peeing your pants?
I'm trying not to. I have to pee so bad. I got pee style.
I did not want to do it. So you did it. That did not. What was that? It's surprising that you're still alive.
I know, right? It looks scarier than it is.
I know, it's not at all.
I know.
I got off.
Come on, Fawn. I'm trying to make us sound epic.
I got off rope up there. It was so scary.
Yeah, right?
It was terrifying.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I have to bleep every single video with Heather in it.
That was fun.
Heather started it.
That was fun.
I know, but
That was fun.
it always involves
Mom,
you
it was
somehow.
fun.
I'm getting a phone call.
Oh, okay.
It's for my work number.
I'm on Rappel right now.
You got this, Fawn. You got it. You got it.
It would help if Heather was
I
standing on the rope.
Get off the rope, Heather.
Nice.
No drama. No drama, Rappel. That's how it's done, April.
1.
Oh my gosh, you're so badass.
Now act like when you're reaching up to climb it.
Oh, Climb Magazine.
yes.
Here we
There you
come.
Love it.
Climbing Magazine.
Work it. Oh, work it.
Work it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bite that lip. I only buy Lincoln Navigators because they're so safe because I totaled 2 of them.